So this is a new Wuben E8 flashlight. It's got 3000 candela. It's got a standard IP rating of 68, 1.5 meter drop protection, 10 lumen to 1300 lumen, and up to 36 hours of battery time, and 109 millimeter throw. Let's open it up. We'll take a look at it. Get an instruction manual. Okay, of course you get a USB-C charging cable, get a lanyard, and you get some O-rings here. This little metal, I'm gonna have to figure out what that is. So this is a very unique flashlight. It's mainly what I call, it's like a personal lantern. Let's look at the battery here. You can just unscrew this cap, get to the battery. It is just a regular AA battery. Now this is a lithium battery. 920 milliamp. It charges here. The only way you can charge it is through this port on this particular battery. You can use any battery, any AA battery though, which is really nice because you can just carry extra AA's with you. If you're going camping or whatever, you don't have to worry about recharging the battery while you're out. Just bring some AA's with you. Very unique design. I love this. It's got a nice clip here, but this one is more like a lantern than a flashlight. Now you do have the flashlight here. So this is your 1300 lumen. You go up to 1300 lumen here. And then you've got these 3 lights there. You can set it down and of course act like a personal lantern. Let's turn it on. One click turns it on. Now that's 1300 lumens. If you go step down. So that's low, medium, and high. That's just not a full click, just a press here. Now, if you want to go to this mode, it's 4 clicks. And I found the easiest way to do it is just click it 4 times on your palm like that. And here's your lantern. Now, if you short click it again, you go to flashing. Short click, there's low and high. And then you go to flashing. So let's go back to the high setting. Now, these are little amber colored lenses that come on, and they do have this little magnet here, and it just got a little piece of metal here, and this is just clicks right on. But if you want to make it brighter, you can take these off, and you got a brighter lantern here. You want to put them back on? I mean, they're very easy to go back on with these magnets. They just find their place and click right back on. Now, if you click it 4 times while you're in this mode, you get to your UV mode. This is your UV light here. It's only one mode. You can turn it off. It's got memory, so whatever mode it's in, it'll go back to there. There it is right there. Now we'll go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's your flashlight. Okay, so this little piece of metal came in the kit. I thought it was maybe something that screwed into these little threads here. I didn't know what it was. I was trying to screw it. I couldn't figure it out. Then I figured out these are extra magnets. So if the magnet falls out, I guess of here or here, you got extra magnets there. So, and they comes with 2 extra O-rings. These O-rings, of course, are on the tail switch where the battery goes in. Because you will be opening this and closing it every time you need to charge the battery, which is something I'm glad they did give you the extra O-rings, because the O-rings, I'm sure, will wear out. Yeah, if you're in a tent or something like this, you can put on this little lanyard here and just hang it up. Hang it up. If you're outside working in a close area, above a table, whatever, you can hang it up and have a little lantern shining down here. So, very nice feature. I tell you what, I kind of like this light. I don't like it for this portion. I mean, it's cool, 1300 lumens, quite a bit, but I do like it for the lantern portion. So that's the Wuben E8.